Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. We're here on the electric line, doing Nall 2025. Have an Ultra Micro 262.
I'm trying so hard to keep it in the air.
There's two young gentlemen having some fun. So sit back, relax, enjoy the flight, folks. And I apologize for the raindrops on the lens, folks. It's raining here at Triple Tree. Oops.
Oh, I was flying at the beginning with safe fall. Now it's off. Oh, now we're good. Now, oh, and no one's safe. If I can have landing.
Oops. Oh, there we go. Look at that, folks. They nailed that landing 10 different ways to tomorrow, folks. Folks, that's nail-biting butter landing right there. Nail-biting butter because he nailed it.
Yeah, you're like shriveled like straight.
More to come.
Oh, really?